Welcome to the video on safe loading operations of BTPN wagons at POL sidings. We will cover mandatory do's, don'ts, and critical precautions to ensure safety. A BTPN wagon is a bogie tank wagon used for carrying petroleum products like petrol and diesel. Key risks include highly flammable cargo, static electricity, and vapor hazards. Key fittings on a BTPN wagon include the dome cover for loading and the bottom flange cover for discharge. These are critical points for safe operations. Looking at the dome cover and fittings from the top, you can see the dome cover seal and the nut bolt for securing the dome cover. Inside, there is the filling pipe cover and the extractor valve, connected to the main discharge valve spindle. Let's examine the dome cover interior, dipstick mechanism, and discharge assembly more closely. The interior includes the filling pipe seal and extractor valve spindle. The dipstick mechanism features the dipstick hole and its cover, while the discharge assembly has the bottom discharge pipe blank. Our main goal is to achieve zero fire risk. Petroleum products are highly volatile. A minor spark combined with vapor can be catastrophic. POL vapor and static electricity are the main hazards. Strict guidelines are necessary because POL commodities are highly volatile and flammable, and minor sparks can cause catastrophic fires. Safety is a shared responsibility. Our objective is to ensure safe handling, maintain compliance, and prevent fire or explosion hazards. Step 1 is securing the rake. Never use items like stones or metallic skids, as they can create friction sparks. Always use wooden wedge blocks for securing the rake. Upon arrival, ensure the locomotive is detached and moved to a safe distance. Secure the rake strictly with wooden wedge blocks. Apply hand brakes. Confirm no wagon movement and place warning signage. Do not use metallic items, stones, or iron chains to secure wagons. Step 2 is pre-loading preparation, which includes earthing. Proper earthing and bonding safely discharge static electricity, a critical step before opening any valves. Before loading, check for leakages and intact fittings. Ensure bottom discharge and master valves are fully closed and leak-proof. Earth the wagon before opening valves. Inspect the neoprene seal for damage. Do not load during thunderstorms or heavy lightning. Step 3 involves anti-spark protocols. Friction from standard tools can create sparks. Always use non-sparking, non-metallic tools when working with BTPN wagon fittings. For tooling and staff conduct, use only non-metallic, spark-proof tools for dome covers and valves. Staff must wear anti-static footwear and cotton clothing. Never bring mobile phones, matchboxes, lighters, or other electronic devices near the gantry. Do not strike the wagon body or dome fittings with standard iron or steel tools. Step 4 covers procedures during loading. Maintain continuous supervision and avoid overfilling. Ensure the loading pipe reaches the bottom of the tank to prevent splash loading and static electricity generation. During loading, only use the filling pipe. Maintain continuous supervision to prevent overfilling. Avoid splash loading by ensuring the pipe reaches the tank bottom. Maintain continuous communication between staff and pump operators. Ensure tank fittings have anti-pilferage devices. Never leave the loading operation unattended and do not exceed the permissible payload limit. Step 5 focuses on post-loading and sealing, specifically eliminating fire hazards. Never use metallic seals as they can cause sparks. Always clean the barrel thoroughly and use only non-metallic seals. In post-loading, remove earthing and close the vapor extractor cock. Ensure all covers are closed and bolts are tightened using non-sparking tools. Use only non-metallic seals. Thoroughly clean any spilled oil, as minor spills leave a combustible film. Never use metallic seal wires or dispatch a wagon with loose bolts. As per G90, precautions during loading include ensuring all tank fittings, safety valves, and master valves are in good working order. The bottom discharge valve must be fully closed and fitted with a blank flange, 6 bolts, and a gasket before loading begins. The vapor extractor cock and vent plug must be open. Continue G90 precautions. Close the vapor extractor cock and seal all covers after measurements. Ensure proper sealing by tightening all bolts on the dome cover and bottom discharge pipe using non-sparking tools. Use non-metallic wire and neoprene gaskets for sealing. At loading points, do not shunt wagons on the same line as loading. Do not leave bolts loose or use defective fittings. Do not leave loose wires or metallic rods attached to the dome cover. Always report leaks, defects, or deficient items immediately. Thank you for watching this video on safe loading practices for BTPN wagons. Safety is paramount, and compliance is the key to zero incidents. This video is brought to you by the Delhi Division.